Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use Klarna on Dhgate. In order to do this, you first need to launch your web browser in your PC, and here in the search bar you need to search for dhgate.com. You can even follow the same steps in the Dhgate mobile application if you want to. Now once you are on this page, you just have to select the product that you want to purchase from Dhgate. After that, you need to just add the product into your cart. Now once this step is done, you just have to simply go to the cart in the top right hand corner of the screen, and over here you just have to simply click on the checkout button. Now once you click on checkout, you will be landed on the payments page where you see Klarna as one of the payment methods. So you just have to select Klarna and then you need to make payment over here. After making the payment, you will be able to use Klarna on Dhgate. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.